Hello. Welcome to Code Hero. What's up? AI is getting very popular in the few previous months. So, I thought that it would be fun to see if an AI could make a game in Unity game engine. I'll show you how I made a game with only AI. For making scripts, I used ChatGPT 3, for art I used DALL-E, Ape OpenAI, and for music I used Melobytes and SFXR. So, that means 1. I cannot write any code. 2. I cannot make any art for the game. 3. I can only use AI for making scripts and art for the game. 4. I can only set up scene and put the game elements together. So let's begin. So, here is the idea for the game. You are a farmer and you have to collect fruits by avoiding bombs and save the fruits from getting wasted. So let's start.
First, I created a script called Player Controller and went to ChatGPT 3 and asked it to create me a player controller script for my 2D game. And it gave me a script and I copied it and pasted it inside my own player controller script. After that, I quickly set up the scene in Unity and we are ready to go, and I made a square for the placeholder for the player for now. Next, I asked the AI to create me a smooth camera follow script so that it can follow our player smoothly, and I created a folder so we can keep our scripts inside it. I pasted the code that I got from ChatGPT 3 inside the script that I created just now, and it works like a charm. So now the basic player movement is done, so I went to DALL-E AI and got some art for the game. From DALL-E I got the sprites for the player, the ground and the sky. After that, I replaced the placeholder art with the new art that I got from DALL-E AI, and it looked very good. Then I replaced the square with the player character that I got from DALL-E AI, and it looks very better than just a square. Then I added the walls so that the player does not fall from the world through the end of the ground. After that, I added a basket so the fruits can get collected and we get points every time we collect the fruits. Then I went to DALL-E again and got some sprites for the fruits and the bombs. Then I created a player script so that the player could die or add score after he hits or collects the bomb or the fruit, so that we have a working gameplay loop. After that, I created prefabs out of the bombs and the fruits so that it could be instantiated and it could be dropped so that the player collects the fruit or dies if a bomb collides with it. So now we have a working gameplay loop. After that, I added a main menu, some post-processing, a loose panel and a pause screen. And so now we are done with the game. At last, I asked the AI what should I name the game, and it came up with many ideas like Fruit Blitz, like many things, but I liked Fruit Frenzy the most. So I named it Fruit Frenzy. So here's the game. So that's how I made the game using only AI. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.